Yeah, go ahead and turn your head.
Yeah. Wait, do what?
Just turn the light off. There's a button on the top. Go ahead and find it right now.
Alright, I got the light turned off.
LED. I need the light is the thing.
Oh wait, should I turn it back on?
Yeah. Hit it twice to get it off.
Alright.
Are you freaking kidding me?
No, that's serious.
We gotta get this light.
Hey, did you see it?
Yeah, stuff like flame. You guys trying to do?
We're stuffing
I'm trying to melt down this freaking tube.
yeah, we've just been stuffing ground blooms and stuff down it. Try and set it on fire.
What is the tube made out of?
It's very tough.
Brandon.
I know. Alright, got the light off.
Isn't that so cool? Oh my god.
Oh, ah, dang. Dude, that popped on my lip.
That hit me. I was badass. I don't think it's done yet.
No.
Oh crap.
I don't know.
Watch it. Oh, God. Go in the bastard! Get in the bastard! Alright. Hurry up.
I don't know, they set the lawn on fire.
And the bastard.
Sit on it. Do what you gotta do.
Hey, you're not gonna stomp that out. Don't stomp that out.
Oh, I think that's it.
Oh, no.